Hey flowers, it's your Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be all about my hair. I actually really love this. I'm going to be really honest with you all. I do have 4C hair, and if you see some of my videos in the past, sometimes when I do a style, I have to take the definition out of my hair kind of in a way. It's still pretty defined, but my hair when it's like that, it gets so like fine. I don't have thin hair, but for some reason when I do those styles, like I guess my strands are fine. But I do really love how this came out. Before we get into this style, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Let's get into the festivities. Okay, hey. So of course we are starting out with freshly washed, shrunken hair. I'm just going to go ahead and start parting up my hair so I can start putting some products in it before we start braiding and styling and all that good. Kobe. Alright, so that is my Melanin Mixx Grow Oil. So I'm just putting that all through my hair, getting it on my scalp. That is my coconut leave-in conditioner serum thing. So once we get that in, I'm just going to start combing my hair out and making sure it's nice and detangled. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and start breaking it up into pieces. So okay. So this is my Melanin Mixx Curling Creme, which is honestly the consistency of shea butter. I really do like this. It's really thick and it feels really good on the hair. So I'm decided to use this product for this braid out. So I'm taking my Demon brush and I am just combing that through, and then I start braiding my hair down section by section pretty much. So you're going to repeat that for each section that you part, and you want to make sure that the braids are nice and tight. So I'm taking a perm rod and I'm using just a few because I didn't want too many in my hair. So I just put like 2 braids to a perm rod. So I went ahead and did most of my head. So now we're going to do the other side. Taking some more of that curly cream from Melanin Mixx, and I'm just of course rubbing that into my hair before I braid so that the braids are more defined. And the braid out is lit. Then the braid out is lit. Okay. It's so crazy. It's like when you see your hair getting braided, it's like, okay, it was so shrunken and now I'm braiding and it's like so much longer. But guys, I promise, like sometime soon I'm going to do a, what do you call it? Anyway, a silk press. Okay, so after I was done braiding, I added some argan oil just to my hair because I knew I was going to put a cap on and all of that. So several days later, so we are back. Makeup is done, and now I'm just starting to take off all of the perm rods. I'm really surprised at how the hair looked because I had it kind of bunched up in a wig cap with a wig on, so it's kind of weird to see that it didn't really crunch up as much, which I'm actually happy about. So I'm going in with the argan oil on my fingertips and I'm just taking the braids out one by one, of course. And when you're doing this, you want to try to make sure you take out the braid pretty much perfectly so that you're not making it frizzy beforehand. Even though, like I said in the intro, like sometimes I have to kind of like take out some of the definition and make it do what I want it to do. So as you can see, I did do that, and now I'm just using a pick to kind of bring some volume to my hair. And then now I'm just separating some of those strands that are just a little bit, close together, and I kind of like it. So this is my edge booster. Y'all, I do actually love this edge control. I'll post a video up where I first started using it, and honestly, y'all, this is for my edges. Like, I love it. I love it. And it's cheaper than Hicks by $2, and $2 is money, so oh well. Okay, so I'm just trying to see if I want to pin it back or not on that side, and I think I do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and do my lashes, put on the rest of my clothes, and that's about it, y'all. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
S playing on the track.